If you think a tiny home can't have it all, this one will change your mind. This is the before and after of our design for our subscribers' home, and we'll show you the entire process of achieving this look. In this series, we're here to ensure that even in a tiny home, you can achieve a well-designed interior style without making the space feel small. Today, we're working on Dieter's space, which has a 30.5 square meters that needs a minimalist Scandinavian style transformation with a sea-inspired touch. Right now, the space is still unfinished or currently under renovation, and the interior needs to be properly remodeled. And the real challenge? How to efficiently fit all the essential elements, including a sofa, bed, kitchen, and storage areas for clothes into a small area designed. This is the 68th design in our 100 Interiors Challenge. He wants to redesign his living area, dining, kitchen, and bedroom. We're really grateful because Dieter also avails our paid services, which has been a great help to our channel. Since designing home interiors is not easy, it involves everything from conceptualization and space analysis to 3D modeling, rendering, and video editing. So, if you urgently need help designing your home interior, please visit our website, www.designburst24.com. First, let's talk about the living area. Since this is a small and open space, we've allocated a size of 2.6 by 2.8 meters for this area, and you can see that there's still room for other necessary items needed in this home. Now, looking at the layout we've created, if we talk about the distance, there is a 0.8 meter gap between the TV wall and the sofa, which has enough passage. Even though the area is small, there's still a way to fit everything that needs to be placed. Let's now move on to the materials and furniture used for this small home. We can see that his home's interior is still unfinished, including the ceiling. So, a Cove ceiling with a drop frame is perfect for his home. This design adds a layered look that brings architectural interest. Next, you can add Cove lighting that runs along the inside edge of the drop and Cove ceiling. This is perfect for the warm atmosphere of Scandinavian interiors. To ensure even lighting, additional recessed pin lights are a great choice. They provide general ambient lighting throughout the space and consume less power, making them an ideal for your home as well. Dieter shared his preferred flooring idea, which is a straight plank in a darker wood tone. Even though Scandinavian design typically leans toward lighter woods, since Dieter wants a sea-inspired touch, this will complement the chosen furniture. One of the most important pieces of furniture is the sofa, and for this space, the low-profile box-arm modern sofa, measuring 1 by 1.8 meters, is a perfect choice. Its neutral tone allows for easy styling. If you have a larger space, the Mag Soft Low sofa is another great option that offers more seating. One of the elements that adds style to the sofa is the pillows. The mix of light neutrals, blue-gray, and striped patterns made from upholstered fabric is exactly what Dieter wanted, as it closely resembles a sea-inspired style. Also, you can add additional throw blankets with a soft textures. It complements the sofa perfectly. Of course, one thing that should never be missing is the coffee table, right? For this space, a round pedestal coffee table in light natural wood was added, which complements the room's calming palette. Alternatively, a square minimalist coffee table would also work well, as it fits nicely in small spaces. Some simple yet stylish items can be placed on the coffee table, such as a greenery in a ceramic bud vase, a decorative book, and a bowl, leaving enough space for a visually open look. Now, to complete the look around the sofa, you can add a natural fiber bordered rug. It enhances tactile contrast against the smooth flooring and soft upholstery. This rug also pairs beautifully with the wood flooring, light wood coffee table, and neutral toned sofa, tying all the elements together in a cohesive, grounded style. Next, to control the natural lighting entering the space, add a white slim horizontal blind layered with a natural sand-colored curtain. The curtain rod is concealed with a pelmet, creating a very clean and seamless appearance. Layering curtains and blinds not only enhances the look of the space, but also offers better insulation, increased privacy, and an overall more refined design. Now, to make the living area look visually appealing and brighter, you can add the main lighting. The centerpiece will be a modern LED geometric ceiling light. The overlapping shapes add visual interest and a subtle sense of movement. Another option for the main light is a spiral-shaped LED light, as it makes a strong visual statement. Moving on to the other side of the living area, which serves as the TV area. To avoid having a flat-looking wall, a wall accent is used to elevate the design. Here, a mixed material wall paneling has been applied, featuring a combination of flat laminate finishes on the left side and vertical slatted wood panels on the right. It brings architectural rhythm and makes the area feel taller. For style and storage, you need to add a low media unit made with light oak veneer and matte white laminate. It features open shelving and closed cabinets, perfect for hiding routers, consoles, and media accessories. Then, you can add decorative elements such as a book stack, a white ceramic bowl with pine cones, and a vase with flowers. These elements create interest on the console. Above it is a 50-inch TV is placed that fit well with the measurements of the living area. The viewing height from the floor to the middle of the TV is 1 meter. Lastly, Dieter specifically requested a space for clothes and luggage, so a built-in storage was added. The cabinet door is made from MDF, while the drawers feature a veneered wood finish. This unit is designed to fit into tight corners, ensuring zero wasted space. Above the cushion storage bench is a full-height mirror. It does not only enhances the natural light in the room, but also creates the illusion of a larger, more open space. Looking at the overall design of the living area, you wouldn't think it's small at all because of the smart use of materials and furniture placement. Besides the living area, a small space has been allocated for the bed area, measuring 2.3 by 1.6 meters. This space is specifically designed to accommodate only the essential furniture due to the limited space. Looking at the layout we designed, the bed is positioned directly beside the sofa. For the pathway, the clearance from the wall to the bed is 0.7 meters, which is enough to ensure an accessible walkway. Since this is an open area, you can install a full-height framed glass partition wall with wood panel and matte black metal framing, measuring 1.1 by 2.7 meters, which will divide the living and bed area. Now, you have some privacy, so you can add a queen-sized, upholstered platform bed with a tufted headboard. The soft layers of bed sheets create a neutral palette that brings cohesion to the space. To enhance the bed area with additional comfort and detail, a taupe and black patterned soft gray-blue sleeping pillows is an excellent color choice. So now, the overall look of the bed combines Scandinavian style with touches of modern minimalism. The space beside the bed can accommodate a modern nightstand. It is laminated with a wood-look edge and a white drawer. This provides convenient storage for essential items, making it easy to access things you need before going to bed or when you wake up. For decor, this ceramic vase with plants is perfectly suited on the nightstand. As for wall decor, an abstract wall art with a wave pattern is a great choice, especially because Dieter requested elements that reflect a sea-inspired theme as his house is near the sea. To highlight the artwork, a wall-mounted art light with a short arm and conical shade was added. It mounts directly above the artwork and casts focused downward light. It's also a great idea to add another lighting fixture on the nightstand, like this ceramic table lamp with a fabric shade. The lamp's curved base with vertical grooves gives it a sculptural, organic character that blends seamlessly into the serene, minimalist Scandinavian vibe of the bedroom. And of course, privacy is essential, especially in the bed area. To achieve this, you can add a white horizontal blind layered with a sand-colored curtain using the same treatment as in the living area for consistency and cohesive look. So now, even though the bed area is small, it still feels complete and thoughtfully designed, proving that with smart choices, interior setup. For the dining area, it will be placed near the bedroom, providing enough space of 1.3 by 1.5 meters, which is just right for 2 people, as for Dieter's request. To start, here's the layout we've designed for his dining area. The distance from the bed to the dining chair is 0.6 meters when in use, which provides enough clearance, ensuring that the corners don't obstruct movement and there is still enough space to walk through. Now, to add some contrast to the wall, a wood veneer fluted wall panel measuring 1.2 by 2.5 meters is used. It serves as both a decorative feature and a way to subtly separate the dining area visually, making it feel like more than just a place to eat. Wondering what kind of dining table works best for small spaces? A great choice is a modern leisure table. This is a 1.1 meters round dining table, which is ideal for small areas. The round shape also makes it safer and more efficient for daily movement in small spaces. Of course, a dining table isn't complete without chairs, so a pair of modern curved dining chairs in light cream can be used, which pairs well with the soft tones of the room and enhances the usability of the dining space. Alternatively, a perfect set that may fit in a small space is a soft trapezoid dining table paired with two cushioned chairs. Its compact shape helps save space, and it's stylish for everyday use. For the decor, keep it simple and intentional, like a vase with flowers and a dinnerware. These pieces add both style and practicality. As the final touch, a two-tone pendant light will provide direct brightness to the dining table and highlight the entire area. So now, even with a smaller space, we've managed to create a thoughtful and stylish dining area setup. Let's make this kitchen area work for you. But first, let's analyze the space. It measures 2.3 by 2.2 meters, which is just the right size. Based on the layout we've designed, the space has been carefully planned to support smooth movement. The distance between the dining table and the refrigerator is 1.2 meters, allowing the fridge to open easily without obstruction. Meanwhile, the distance between the chair and the kitchen counter is 0.9 meters, providing enough space to move around comfortably even when seated. For the main workspace, an L-shaped counter can be used, measuring 0.6 meters in width and 0.9 meters in height, serving as the primary area for food preparation. One key advantage of this layout is that it maximizes corner space, making it ideal for small kitchens. The counter includes base storage cabinets, finished in light wood laminate with slab-style doors. This allows kitchen essentials to be neatly stored and easily organized, keeping the space clutter-free and efficient. To make full use of vertical space, you can add wall-mounted slab-style overhead kitchen cabinets. These feature soft close hinges and hidden handles, finished in a warm matte white and paired with a wood laminate frame. Now, let's look at the countertop. A white marble look surface is used, which creates a beautiful contrast against the neutral wood tones of the cabinetry. The countertop is made from quartz, a material known for being durable, stain-resistant, and long-lasting. The smooth surface makes it easy to clean any kitchen messes. You can add vertically fluted marble look tiles in a beige tone with subtle texture. This is an excellent choice for kitchen backsplashes as it offers both durability and a unique aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the countertop surface. At the end of the L-shaped kitchen, the refrigerator can be placed in this designated space. This positioning keeps it easily accessible from both the prep zone and the dining area, ensuring a more efficient and organized kitchen flow. For the empty corner, what's the best way to make it useful? Try adding open shelves made from wood veneer, measuring 0.8 by 0.8 meters. Is this a good idea? Yes, because it can serve as a decorative space and make it easier to access the most needed kitchen items without hassle. When it comes to decor and small appliances, you can keep things minimal yet meaningful. Add a small potted plant, kitchen books, or essential cooking tools. On the countertop, display small glass jars, oil bottles, a cutting board, and a plant stem in a jar, keeping it minimal but thoughtfully arranged. For extra lighting and to highlight the decor pieces, add LED strip lights so the kitchen looks complete and ready for daily use. As a final touch, you can add an indoor plant. It complements the kitchen's natural palette and brings in a fresh, calming vibe. If you also have a small space like this, and you can follow this plan so you'll have a kitchen area that remains fully accessible, even it's small. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Unlike other 3D artists charging $50 to $150 per room, we offer 3 spaces, 2 revisions, 15 to 20 photo renders, and a walkthrough for just $99. With your approval to feature your request on our YouTube channel, we can provide top-quality service at an affordable rate. You can visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe.